Imagine opening a brand new Apple gadget that was released more than a decade ago. I am about to unseal a piece of tech history. Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. If you love discovering interesting gadgets and tech stories, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel because today I have something very special. Today, I am not unboxing any latest smartphone or gadget, not the newest gadget. Instead, I am about to open a time capsule from Apple's past. Inside this box, there is Apple iPod Shuffle 4th generation with 2 GB storage. And the crazy part, this device is still completely sealed in 2026. Yes, brand new. I recently found this on eBay, and when I saw the packaging was untouched, I knew I had to get it because gadgets like this are not just electronics anymore. They are pieces of technology history. Back when this device was released in 2010, streaming didn't exist the way it does today. There was no Spotify, no YouTube music, no Apple Music. People actually carried their music with them. And this tiny little device could hold hundreds of songs in your pocket. Alright, this is the moment. Okay, the seal has probably remained untouched for more than a decade and is about to be opened. I am almost feel guilty breaking this seal, but at the same time I am extremely excited to finally see what's inside. Okay. Let's do it. Wow, just opening this box already feels nostalgic. Apple packaging has always been minimal, elegant, and even this small box looks beautifully designed. Let's carefully take everything out. The first item, the iPod Shuffle. And here it is. Oh my god, I am extremely excited. Look at how tiny this device is. This only weighs 12.5 gram. It's almost unbelievable that something this could carry your entire music collection 15 or 16 years ago. The design is incredibly simple. Physical buttons, a built-in clip, and very lightweight and premium aluminum body. And of course, this device didn't even have a screen. You simply pressed play and let the music shuffle. That actually that's actually where the name shuffle came from. Now let's dig inside. Some package, okay, manual and instruction. Okay, the next inside the box we have the Apple earphone. Back then this was iconic. Almost everyone who owned an iPhone or iPod remembers this wired earphones. Seeing them in brand new condition today feels incredibly nostalgic. Item number 3, the USB cable. This conducts both charging and syncing data. This cable was used to connect the iPod to a computer and sync the music using iTunes. Yes, back then music syncing required before you can actually enjoy the music. No wireless syncing, no streaming, just classic drag and drop music management. And obviously, item number 4 is the Apple documentation. Typical Apple style, very clean and minimal. User guides and safety information. Nothing special. Even these small things bring back memories. Holding this device today really reminds me how far the technology has come. Today, we carry terabytes of music in our phones and stream millions of songs instantly. But devices like iPod Shuffle helped start the portable music revolution. It proved that music could truly be personal and portable. And honestly, there is something special about gadgets like this. They remind us of a time when technology felt simpler, more focused, and sometimes feel even more magical. So that was my unboxing of a sealed Apple iPod Shuffle 4th generation in 2026. Definitely one of the most nostalgic gadgets I have opened on this channel. If you enjoyed this trip into tech history, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station. And tell me in the comments, did you ever own an iPod? Which one was your favorite? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.